guys, welcome back. This is me Gargi back with a new video. And yes, today's video is like we're going to try something. Like this is gonna be useful for everyone, like for childrens and maybe for adults too, because we are going to try PowerPoint hacks. And yes, many of people make presentations and maybe they were thinking like what can we do something new in our presentation. So for that, I'm with some PowerPoint hacks. So yes, without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, let's start with our first hack. So yes, firstly we have to go to PowerPoint. As we all know, it's a PowerPoint hack. So the first hack which we are going to do is this. And yes, as you can see, I have taken a blank slide now. And now we have to go to insert and then shapes, and we have to select a rectangle shape. And as I'm showing, you have to just do it. Yes. After doing this, you have to go to text box and you have to take any word. Like I'm taking now the word which is holiday. So I'm using my first letter which will be H. Yes, keep the process going on. But you can even choose the font and make the size bigger if you want. After all the letters are done, again we have to go to insert and then shapes. Then we have to click on circle shape. And as I'm showing, do it. Then after that, you have to do right click on that shape and then you have to go to the format shapes, and then you have to make the transparency 100. Yes, after doing the transparency 100, you have to put the letters in that circle. After your letters are done putting in that circle, then you have to do right click on that rectangles which we have put in up on that circle. Then you have to go to format shape and change the color as you want. So I have taken a rainbow kind of pattern. If you can take any pattern whichever you want. Your authentic kind of page is ready which you can use like in your PowerPoint kind of thing. Like if you're making any presentation and the first page if you want, then you can make like this. So this was the first hack. I hope so you loved. And yes, if you don't want the background color white, you can even change it, but I'm keeping it white because then that colors will suit more. So yes, let's go to our second hack. So yes, let's get started with the second hack. So the second hack is very simple. We have to go to Google Chrome and we have to search for some newspaper collage. As you can see, there are many newspaper collage. You can take any. I took this because I loved it. Then you have to copy that image, go to PowerPoint and paste it over there. After pasting it in the PowerPoint, you have to enlarge it. Then go to format, crop by shape and choose any shape. Then you have to go to insert shape and take any shape for your title. Then do it right click, go to the format shape and change its color. Then you can put your title. And so yes, now let's go to our third hack. So yes guys, the third hack is also very simple. Third hack, you have to simply choose a background first and go to crop to shape and choose any kind of shape. This gives a cute pattern kind of thing. You have to go to Google Chrome and type Jiffy. You have to type their anatomy in the search box. Choose any GIF, whichever you love. I love this, so I'm taking this. Then you have to save this in your desktop. Yes. Then you have to paste it in your PowerPoint, and then you have to put your title. Yes, as you can see, a cute kind of authentic way your PowerPoint presentation first page is ready. This is just an example, you can take any. If you are making any other presentation, you can take a GIF as per that. And yes, now we are on to our last hack, which is a fourth hack. A very pretty and a cute hack, I might say. So yes, again you have to go to your PowerPoint presentation. Yes, for the fourth hack also you have to choose a background image, and then after you have to choose again one more background image. It should be kind of authentic, and you have to put it at corner. Then you have to go and you have to take a shape, put its transparency as per you need, and then you can put your title, and at down square box you can put a description about your presentation. So yes, it's just very simple, you can do it. Here it goes. So it looks like kind of cute and authentic. So yes, you can try this and let me know like which one was your favorite, which hack was your favorite. Let me know in the comment box. And yes, stay tuned, new video will come soon.